Hello, everyone. I am so happy to see all of you today. We are going to talk about your most valuable resources. A resource is something valuable that you have. It is something you can use to help yourself. It is something that makes your life better. You already have these resources. They are inside you and around you. They are more valuable than money or gold. Are you ready to find out what these resources are? Let us begin. Resource 1, your time. The most important resource you have is time. Time is very special. You can earn more money, but you can never get more time. You cannot save time in a bank. Every person gets 24 hours a day. Time is equal for everyone. How you use it changes your life. How can you use your time wisely? Spend time on important things. Do not waste hours worrying about things you can't control. Choose activities that help you grow. Be present in the moment. Think about what really matters to you. Every hour you spend is gone forever. You will never get it back. Treat your time like something precious. Use it on things that are good for you. Resource 2, your health. Health means your body and mind are working well. When you are healthy, everything is easier. You can play sports, you can study and learn, you can help others, you can follow your dreams. How can you take care of your health? Move your body. Your body was made to move. Play outside. Exercise is not just for athletes. When you move, your body gets stronger, your brain works better. You feel happier. Sleep enough. When you sleep, your body fixes itself. Your brain organizes everything you learned that day. Sleep is not wasting time. Sleep is investing in your health. Take care of your mind, too. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Do things that make you happy. Be grateful for good things in your life. Take breaks when you feel stressed. Do not keep bad feelings inside. Without health, nothing else matters. Resource 3, your mind and brain. Your brain is truly amazing. It can learn anything. It can solve problems. It can create new ideas. It can imagine things that do not exist yet. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The more you learn, the easier learning becomes. Your brain can grow. It can get better. It can change throughout your whole life. Every time you learn something new, your brain makes new connections. It is like building new roads inside your head. The more roads you build, the easier it is to learn even more. How can you use your brain well? First, keep learning. Read books. Be curious about the world. Second, challenge your brain. Do not only do easy things, try hard things. It feels difficult at first, but that is how your brain grows. When you struggle and then figure something out, your brain gets stronger. Third, give your brain good information. Read good books. Learn positive things. If you watch negative things all the time, that affects your brain too. Fourth, believe in your brain. Your thinking about your brain affects how well it works. Believe you can learn. Believe you can grow. Your brain is your tool for life. Use it well. Resource 4. Your energy. Energy is your power to do things. It is your motivation. It is your excitement. It is your drive. Your energy level affects everything. When you have high energy, you can do so much. You feel more positive. You study and play better. You help others more. How can you manage your energy? First, do hard things first. In the morning, your energy is fresh. That is the best time to study or do difficult tasks. Second, take breaks. You cannot work at full speed all day. Your energy needs to rest and recharge. Take short breaks during study time. Give yourself time to relax. Third, do activities that give you energy. Do things that make you feel excited and alive. Save your energy for the things that matter most. Fourth, stay away from energy drains. Some people complain all the time. They make you feel tired. Some activities, like watching negative news for hours, take away your positive energy. Limit these things. Protect your energy. Resource 5. Your attitude. Your attitude is how you think about life. It is how you respond to what happens around you. It is your mindset. Do you see problems or possibilities? Do you see obstacles or chances to grow? Your attitude affects everything. It affects your relationships. People enjoy being around positive people. It affects your success. Positive people try harder and do not give up. It affects your health. A good attitude reduces stress. It affects your happiness every day. How do you build a good attitude? First, practice gratitude. Every day, think of things you are grateful for. This trains your brain to notice good things. Second, be around positive people. Spend time with people who inspire you. Read good books. What you see and hear every day affects your attitude. Third, focus on what you can control. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control other people. But you can control your attitude, your choices, and your effort. Focus on those. Fourth, learn from hard times. When something goes wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? A positive attitude sees every experience as a lesson. Resource 6. Your relationships. No person can live completely alone and be happy. We all need other people. Relationships are important resources in life. How do you build good relationships? Spend time with people. You cannot have good relationships if you never see or talk to people. Show people you care. Say thank you. Tell people they matter to you. Show your love and appreciation. Meet new people. Do not only stay with the same small group. Be friendly to everyone. Your relationships are like a garden. You must water them. You must take care of them. If you do, beautiful things will grow. If you ignore them, nothing good will remain. Resource 7. Your opportunities. Opportunities are chances to do something good. They are chances to learn something new. They are chances to grow and become better. Some people do not realize how lucky they are. In some parts of the world, people do not have computers. In some situations, people do not have the freedom to choose their own path. But right now, You have many opportunities. Do not waste them. Successful people grab opportunities. When they see a chance, they take it. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They act. How do you make the most of your opportunities? First, learn to see opportunities. Train yourself to notice chances everywhere around you. Second, say yes to new experiences. When you can learn a new skill, do it. When you can help or volunteer, do it. You never know which opportunity will change your life. Third, create your own opportunities. Do not just wait. Make things happen. Fourth, work hard when a chance comes. Getting the opportunity is just the beginning. You must also work hard to use it well. If someone gives you a chance, do your best. Fifth, help others find opportunities too. When you see someone who needs a chance, help them. What you give to others often comes back to you. Remember, opportunities do not last forever. A door will not stay open forever. A chance will not wait forever. When you see an opportunity, grab it. Conclusion. Let us remember the most important resources you have. You have 24 hours a day. Use them wisely. Your health is precious. Take care of it. Your brain can learn anything. Keep growing it. You have energy. Spend it on important things. You control how you see the world. Choose positivity. Your relationships are treasures. Invest in them. Chances come and go. Grab them. You already have all of these resources right now. They are inside you and around you. Treat them like the treasures they are. If you do this, you will be successful and happy. Thank you so much for listening today. Now go out there and make the most of what you have. You have everything you need to create a wonderful life. Go and show the world what you can do. If this video helped you, please subscribe and never miss a lesson that could change your life.